Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video on the Audi S1 Quattro. This now is going to be the repair of the water bottle. I've got a new one now. I need to get these wires sorted before I carry on. Leaving exposed wires is going to cause more problems in the long term. So this is not good. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I've got a replacement bottle with cable there. I'm going to bend this back into shape and refit these wires, these pumps and everything else. Like, some of these are broken. I've got them all here complete. So I'm just going to join the wires and splice into these. I have got these connections. I think they are in the description if you are interested. I bought them a while ago for the other Audi A1, funny enough. And now we got power, I can solder as well, so that's great stuff. So I'm just going to start by cleaning up all these wires so we know what's broken, what's not. That snapped off there anyway, so that pump is no good. They're the same, that's okay. So the only damage to this one is that. The rest is fine on this harness bit, so it's okay. It's just the cover over the top has come off, look. So that's okay. So all nice and tidy. Once I get the other bits to join them, which I've ordered, I'll join the pipes together, tape them up, tape it all up together, and that'll work a treat. So this start tight, if you look at this, look, it's only flimsy bit of metal. Let's tap out the shape. It's all in now, all in the right way, fitted in properly, bolts are all lined up, everything's lined up now. It was the angle on that water bottle that was throwing me a bit. That's perfect now. Took a little while to get that in. Now I've bought, they're on order, waiting for them. They join these plastic bits together because these ones are broken. So I just got to wait for them to come so I can join the wires, and then I can tape all this up and then plug them in. That's the water bottle done then. Alright, it's getting dark now. I haven't done anything with the lights. The floor's a bit of a mess. So I'm going to park up for now and I'll cut back in when I get 5. Okay, that's all ready to be wired up now. That's all I've got to do is join these pipes. Oh look, they split there as well. Because they have come today. These are like the parts you can join on to them. So it's okay, I've got spare down here, but like I said, I have to replace these ones because these were, let's see if we can focus on that, snapped. So I'll use the ones that's in this. See that? There. They're all wired in. I'll unwire this and then we'll wire it all in that like that, and then tidy it all up. If that makes sense. So we're just going to carry on taking this apart. Okay, I wanted to show you this before I taped it all up. That's all connected down there, all tidy as it's supposed to be. That's connected in there. I've just joined them broken pipes there. See that? So they are not going to leak. It's just a case now of just taping. That's for the for the horns. So they go down that way. And just taping all this up. And you wouldn't even know. So that's a good repair. I'm happy with that. Okay, so all back in, all plumbed back in. If you want to know what that tape is, it's Tessa tape. It's proper automotive tape, so that's what I've used. Them 2 cables are now for the horns. We still got to bend this back into shape, which is, it's only aluminium, so it should bend out quite easily. Hopefully I haven't damaged anything. We've still got, this is for the, I believe it's for the headlight washer jet, this bit. So I know that's broken off in there, which is not a good thing. So I might have to replace this pipe here. And I think, let's go around here a sec. Somewhere around here, some parts. As you can see, I have got in that headlight now. Got the washer jet there. And I think this is like this either goes on like that, and then it's probably a T-piece that goes onto the washer jet, and that I would have thought, but as you see that's broken in there. See if I can get that out of there, and this piece should be alright. I'll put that on there, whichever way it goes, and we just got to find a connection bit for that. That's why it's good to keep everything, guys. But these bits, like gold dust, you want to keep all this, because the amount of times I've had to use wires and plugs, especially for Audis, so definitely be keeping all these. And although that is broken there, the actual pump itself is fine, so I'll keep that. So I got all the pumps, so that's good. Don't never throw anything away, guys. You never know when you need it. You have to look in. That goes into there, and then it's snapped off there, look. So that's the T-piece that I need, and that goes like that and into the headlight washer jet. So these are going to be really difficult to get out. I could eat the pipe up and see if it'll come out, and do the same in this bit, but this bit's absolutely wedged in there. So I'm going to get that out of there that easily. I don't know what we're going to do with this bit here. The next thing we got to do is tear down, take down this front end, take it off, and we need to really have a look at where this water leak's coming from. But if we can take this off, we can straighten up that intercooler bracket, and I think that'll be it for this episode. So we fixed the water bottle washers and take the front end off. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, nothing, no damage at all to this side, which is good. You're lucky this wasn't on the other side, really. That would have been a hell of a lot of mess. See, this is where you need to look at things. Oh, is this just the holder for the intercooler? Don't worry, guys, the battery is being unplugged. That's all that is a casing for the intercooler, and I'm sure we can fix that. I'm not replacing the whole front panel. See now, is it broke all the way up? Yeah, that's a bummer, innit? So lucky it's not broken. Oh well, looks like we're going to have to order a front panel as well, because it's broke here all the way across. Not good, not good, guys. Oh well, it is what it is, isn't it? Never mind. Okay, to get that light out, you have to do these, undo these. It's been a long time since I've done an Audi A1, so could take them out. Now it just pops out. Okay, I want to leave it there now, guys. I've got the bumper off, which I wanted to do, so we can source parts like this if we need to. We've got the grille, that's £139 on its own. The front grille is perfect. We've got the foam inside, is perfect. It's little bits like that, all add up. So we've got all them bits. I've got to stop now. Obviously it's getting dark now and I still haven't sorted out lights. But like I said, this is totally snapped right through. So that's not good, guys. So we need to replace the front slam surround, or rad pack they call it, but slam surround I call it. So we've got to take the front off anyway, because we need to see where this water leak is coming from. It's coming from under there at the front somewhere, so I need to research that, take all this off so we can have a good look. That means draining all the antifreeze out of it, taking that off anyway, and while it's off we'll replace it with a new one, because you can't leave it like that. This car's costing a fair bit on parts, guys, I gotta be honest. Really is. I've been struggling to find a wheel hub. Hopefully I found one now and should be with us shortly, so we can get that wheel in line. I've sourced a wing, I've sourced a door, I've sourced a bonnet, and I've sourced a bumper. So we get in there slowly. It's taking a lot of time, and then once we've done all this, we've already sorted the oil leak out. Once we sorted the water leak out, it's just a case of rebuilding everything, putting it all together, and then it can go to the paint shop. I'm only loosely fitting the panels because they got to come back off to be resprayed, back and front. So that's not going to be cheap. So this is as far as I can go with this car today, while I go and have a hunt for a slam panel for it. But that's not good. This is what you deal with on a daily basis when it comes to salvage parts. It's not fun, guys, not fun. Okay, well, I'll see you all in the next one while we continue to strip down the Audi S1 and fix this water leak, hopefully. Take care, guys.